Okay, check it out. Here's some figs. This one is good and ripe, it's ready to pick. This one is being eaten by like a variety of bees. They're snacking away. So you have to make sure that you pick your figs before the birds, the bees, the raccoons, the possums, the squirrels, the neighbors get any kind of whiff about them, because they're delicious. I don't really like them that much, but I do like them with like a cheese or a bacon. So Ficus, carica, Chicago hardy is the name of this one. Chicago hardy, and there's another cultivar called brown turkey. They are both known to withstand colder temps, so down to a hardiness zone of this one. We don't have to cut it back. It doesn't die all the way back to the ground or anything. So it will eventually get to be about 15 feet tall. And it does flower in the spring, but the flowers are pretty insignificant. It's really just all about the fruit and the nicely shaped leaves.